Global environmental protection and sustainable development have become the common development goals of all countries. In this context, ePaper display, as an emerging display technology with green environmental protection and low carbon characteristics, gradually received more and more attention and recognition. DKE Holding Company Limited was established in 2005, is a global leader in ePaper display technology manufacturing, provides green, low-power ePaper display modules, assisting global brands and manufacturers to develop ePaper display applications. So far, the group's branches and offices are deployed globally: China, Vietnam, Japan, Korea, Germany, and other places, with over 1,400 employees. Over the years, we have consistently prioritized research and development and invested more than $10 million. With 3 R&D centers and a team of more than 100 expert professionals, our R&D team has an average of over 10 years' experience in the ePaper industry. By 2025, DKE has accumulated over 130 patents, including 4 overseas patents, maintaining a leading position in the industry. We insist on transition to global intelligent manufacturing, 4 manufacturing bases located in China and Vietnam, equipped with over 40 fully automated production lines with advanced management systems. The annual production capacity exceeded 100 million pieces to satisfy the diverse growing demands from alternative customers. Meanwhile, a new manufacturing base for flexible ePaper display is under construction. DKE is the only company who solely focuses on ePaper-related business. We provide full range of ePaper display modules, including 4 colors, full colors, flexible, prism, large size, segment displays, as well as OEM and ODM, system integrated solution, covering applications such as digital retail, transportation, medical, office, logistics, smart city, and other IoT fields. For 20 years, DKE has maintained the leading global shipment volume with flexible customization capabilities, reliable delivery, stable quality, and comprehensive after-sales support. Providing services to over 100 customers in Europe, America, Asia, and other major regions around the world. In the future, we will continue to innovate in the directions of full-color, flexible, and larger size ePaper displays. We are committed to becoming a great company that contributes to social development. Let's build a sustainable, green, ecological, and smartly interconnected world together.